In this tutorial, I'll show you how to dive deeper into specific topics using 1of10.com. 1of10.com is a powerful YouTube topic finder for your channel. You can visit the site in the link description of the video. After entering your desired keyword into the search bar, browse through the search results to identify videos that align with your interests and niche. Next, you can click on Find Similar button to explore related videos topics to uncover additional insights. Pay attention to the titles, description, and engagement metrics of these videos to gain a deeper understanding of the topic. Experiment with different keywords and filter settings to refine your search and uncover hidden gems within your niche. By diving deeper into specific topics with 1of10.com, you'll be able to discover valuable insights and inspiration for your content creation efforts. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.